3, 4, 5. The are engaged, the toes are engaged, the arms are engaged, the head is down. Right knee towards the floor, right foot towards the ceiling. In Parvatasana weight class, interlace the finger and get into dolphin position. Dolphin position. Dolphin position. Elbows down, interlace the fingers. Head up. 1. Interlace the fingers. Head is up. 2. Press. Now drop the knees, class. Drop your knees. Lift the chin up. Chin up. Awareness to the muscles which is engaged. Which muscles are engaged? Class, look. Keep looking. Your first elbow, shoulders, shoulder blade till here. It's completely tight. Keep lifting the chin up, away. Lift the chin away. Keep pressing the elbow down. Interlacing the fingers hard. Now from here, without losing these muscles, lift your knees off. Lift your knees off. Move your knees off. Keep moving off. Keep moving off. Yes. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now drop the knees. आप कैसे ड्रॉप करते हो? बता रही हूँ कहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहे हो सर. 1 मिनट. फटाक से आप ना लूज हो जाते हो. तो यहाँ पे भी आप ऐसे बस you are just putting your body, you are not engaged while holding. I am holding with weight management, and from here I am going the second step. Coming down also I am doing this. Engaged. So not after that you are getting relaxed. No. I'll give the chance to relax. Yes. Repeat this for 5 sets with my instructions. Elbows are down, knees are down. Interlace the fingers, chin up. Elbows are down, knees down, chin up, tuck the toes. Chin up, press, chin up, press, chin up, chin up. Keep chin up. Yes, keep pressing down and knees getting off. Exhale. Exhale, knees up, chin up, hold, hold. Yes, 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly, knees going down. 1, 2, 3, head up. 4, 5. Observe your shoulders. 6, 7. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. 7, 6, 5, 4, engaged. 3, 2, 1, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg up. 1, 2. Right leg up. 3, 4, 5. Okay, bend the left knee. Take your right foot off. Right foot towards the ceiling, bend the right knee. Hold. Keep pressing the elbow. Lift. Right knee towards the floor. Right foot towards the ceiling. Right knee towards the floor. Right foot towards the ceiling. Come down. Exhale. Sit down in Vajrasana. Sitting down in Vajrasana. Okay. Place both the hands back. Both the hands back, drop the head. Shift the chest, thighs locked. So do not allow the thighs to go away. Do not allow the thighs to go away. So move your thighs in, press the knees down, press the palm, shift the chest forward, drop the head. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, elbows down, chin up. Interlace the fingers. Chin up. Chin up. Chin up. Tuck the toes. Tuck the toes. Keep raising the chin to move the knees off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from here, do the same. Active left leg, knee pointing downward, foot pointing upward, toes pointing up, knee pointing down, holding here. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, shat, pointing, toes pointing up, knee pointing down. Inhale, come back, exhale, release, relaxed. Chin stand. Preparing the body for chin stand, it is 1 minute. Yes. Tuck your t-shirts. Into Parvatasana. From Parvatasana, shifting the weight forward. Shifting the weight forward, moving your chin towards the mat, and then raising one leg or both the legs, your wish. Chin stand, coming to Parvatasana, bend elbows, shift. Access wheel. If you're struggling, get the wheel. Quick, run and wheel. Yes, sir. So, Chaturanga arm, elbows tucked in. Chaturanga arm, elbows tucked in. There is another variations, probably the more stronger arms with the male arms. You can try that. No, Jatin sir, he is doing one more advanced. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duda sir, please come. 3. So he is doing one more advanced where the elbows are not tucked in, and that's the advantage where you have already worked on your arms. So you don't need that support of resting. Without that resting, you are able to lift it up. Yes, sir. So Parvatasana, shifting down and getting the leg up. Yes, and lift, ekam, very good, dve, trini. See, engage, the glute muscles are engaged, the toes are engaged, the arms are engaged, the head is down, forehead is down. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Released. Shashankasana. Okay, one move we will do with partners. So, yes, Ritesh sir and other students, kindly take a cotton mat silently, not crossing these pathways. From the back, yes. Sir, sit like how you sit on a scooty.
Knees wider.
Let it be. So sit, no, turning, facing this side. Yeah, sit in the center. Now take the hands, hold, Take here. Yes. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise the hands. You tell me the experience. I have never experienced this. Partners, quick. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I wanted to work on the core muscles, that's it. 15. Keep pressing, keep pressing down. 18, keep pressing. 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4. Now, sir, place your palms down. Come, walk forward. Walk forward. Sir,